Hi everyone, we're back for another walk here. We're in Kielder. It's a little bit rainy, but we're just trying to dodge the rain under the trees.
Jensen's pointing out the viaduct behind. We used to have a railroad on top of it.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo indeed. Look, a raspberry bush. Found some raspberries. Come on then, shall we lift you up? Jensen's going to do a bit of camera work.
Are you filming the birdies?
Cheese!
Oh, thanks. Bye.
Right.
There's Lucky. Also enjoying the birdies. Or not. We're looking out this window apparently. Here you go. Was that good?
Cheese!
Go.
Yeah. What you got?
I said, shut up. Oh.
Cheese. That wasn't stand up.
Oh no. Oh no.
Record the trees.
Tea. It's me. Tea. Da. 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 Tea.
You done? All done. Did Mama take it back?
No.
Oh, okay.
Achoo. Achoo.
You.
He's sucking on his jellies.
How's your jellies?
Good. Good jellies. Tasty.